Good morning.
Morning.
Morning, can you hear me?
Yeah,
How are you?
fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thanks, Uncle Glenn.
I found you because I wanted to ask you something.
What's up?
I didn't know if you would be able to get a car for my prom
When is your prom?
the 2nd of December.
Okay. And where is it?
It will be hosted there at Western Primary.
Oh, so it's my bio school.
Yeah,
Okay, and then must I fetch you as well, or must I just drop you
you must drop me and fetch me.
off? Okay, no stress, I'll sort it out. Thanks, I'll sort it out.
Okay, thank
See
you.
you, bye.
Bye.
So hi everyone, this is Diego, and Diego needs to put on his seatbelt, number 1. Cool, let's go. So how was the prom?
It was enjoyable.
What did you enjoy most about it?
The food.
You think it's going to be better than the food that's at home now?
Never.
So seeing that you're now going to high school next year, you're going to miss primary school.
Yeah,
What you going to miss the most about primary school?
my friends and how easy it is.
How many of your friends is going to the same high school that you're going to?
None.
None.
Yeah.
So it's a new world. I'm gonna turn around here and just go back that way. So what high school are you going to?
I'm going to Claremont High.
You excited?
Yes.
What do you fear most about going to high school? Or not fear, what makes you nervous about going to high school?
The amount of work we'll get.
You think you're ready?
I feel like I am, but I'm not too sure.
You'll cross that bridge when we get there. And then what do you want to be one day?
As for me, I would like to become let my job be chess, but I don't know if that could also work out there.
Oh, by the way, Diego is a fantastic chess player, by the way. I can't play chess to save my life. I can play a bit of chess, but Diego has gone to multiple chess competitions, etc., all over the Western Cape. So yeah, he's a fantastic chess player. So you can play chess as a sport, but it's not really a big sport in South Africa, obviously. But what's
as
your plan
a
B?
job, I would like to be a lawyer
Any particular reason why?
because I first wanted to work for like police and stuff, but then I realized that could be dangerous
Valid point.
because I can get shot, land in hospital, and yeah.
So your daddy is obviously a law enforcement officer. Do you have that fear for your daddy as well?
Yes.
Good boy.